ॐ नमो नारायणाय। ॐ नमो नारायणाय। ॐ नमो नारायणाय। ॐ नमो नारायणाय।
Namaskaram. Today I am going to chant the Canto 12 of Narayaniam, Incarnation as Cosmic War. Swayambhuvo manurato janasargashilo Drashtva mahima samaye salile nimagnam Srashtaramapasharanam bhavatangri seva Tushtāshayam munijanaiha sahasatyaloke. The Manu Swayambhuva, who was engaged in creation, saw the earth being submerged in the waters when it was not the time for it. So, accompanied by sages like Marichi, he went to Satyaloka in supplication to Brahma, who resided there with his heart full of joy and peace derived from the practice of devotion to thee. Kashtam prajaha srujati mayavanirnimagna Sthanam saroja bhava kalpaya tat prajanam Ityevamesha katito manuna swayambhu Ramboruhakshatava padayugam vyachintit. Alas, the earth has been submerged in waters while I am engaged in multiplying living beings. O lotus-born one, show a new habitation for them. Hearing these words of Manu, Brahma, O Lord, began to contemplate on thee for a solution of the difficulty. Ha ha vibho jalamaham nyabvam purastadadapi majjati mahi kimaham karomi itatam twadangdril yugalam sharanam yatosya nasa putata samabhavah shishukolarupi. O Great One, I had at the very beginning drunk up the causal waters, but nevertheless the earth is sinking. What am I to do now? From the nasal orifice of Brahma, who, speaking thus, took refuge at thy feet, there emerged thyself in the form of an infant boar. Angagushtamatra purastad Bhuyohata kumbi sadrishah samajrumbhastastavam Abretatha vidamudikshya bhavantamucchairvismaretam Vidiragata sahasunubihi swaiha. Of the size of a thumb at the time of emergence, thou didst soon grow to the size of an elephant. Seeing thee thus growing up to the region of the clouds, Brahma, along with his offspring, looked on thee with wonder. Kosavachintya mahima kitiruttito me Nasa putata kimu bhavedajitasya maya Ittam vichintayati dhatari shailamatraha Sadyo bhavana kilab jagarjita ghora ghoram. Who is this that has come out of my nose as a boar? Can it be that being of inconceivable greatness himself? Can it be another play of the Lord's mysterious power, that is Maya? While Brahma was revolving thus in his mind, thou didst grow into the size of a mountain and burst into terrific roars again and again. Tam te ninadamupakarnyapsanastapastāha satyasthitāśravamunayo nunuvurбhavantam तत्स्तोत्रहर्षुलुमना परिणत्या भूयस्तोयाशयं विपुलमूर्तिरवातरस्तवम्. Hearing thy roar, the sages occupying the plains of Janaloka, Tapoloka and Satyaloka began to sing thy glory. Pleased with their hymns of praise, thou with thy mighty body did enter into the water. ऊर्ध्व प्रसारि परिधूम्र विधूत रोमा प्रोत्क्षिप्तबालधीरवाङ्मुख घोर गोणः तूर्ण प्रदीर्ण जलदः परिधूर्ण दक्षिणा स्तोतृण मुनीन शिशिरयन वेतिरीत त्वम्. With the erect and bluish hair twitching, with the tail lifted up, with a fierce snout pointed downwards, and with eyes rolling as if to comfort the hymning rishis, thou didst plunge into the waters with a terrific speed that scattered the clouds. Antarjalam tadanu sankulanakrakram भ्राम्यत्तिमिङ्गगिलकुलं कलुषोर्मिमालम् आविशय भीषणरवेन रसातलस्था नाकम्पयन वसुमती मग्वेशयस्तवम्. The waters were filled with the agitated alligators, whirling whales and turbulent waves, as thou did enter them in search of thy beloved earth with tremendous roars that shook the denizens of the nether worlds, Rasatala. दृष्ट्वाथ दैत्यहतकेन रसातलान्ते संवेशितां झटिति कूटकिटिर्विभो त्वम् आपातुकान् विगणन्य सुरारिखेटान् दंष्ट्राङ्गुकुरेण वसुधामददाह सलीलम्. O Lord, seeing the earth concealed by the wicked Asura in the region of Rasatala, thou, the simulated war, did lift her up with thy tusks, treating with disdain the resistance of Asuras who were but like worms to thee. अभ्युत्तरनथधरां दशनाग्रलग्ना मुस्ताङ्कुराङ्कितहिवाधिकपीवरात्मा उद्धूतघोरसलिलाजलधेरुदञ्जन क्रीडावराहवपुरीश्वर पाहि रोगात्. O Lord, who did sportively assume the form of a boar, thou who with thy gigantic body did rise from the forbidding waters of the rough ocean, holding the earth on thy tusk as if it were the root of a tiny grass that thou had dug up, may thou deign to save me from my ailments. So the Canto 12 is completed. I'll be back with Canto 13 the coming Thursday. Till then, Namaskaram, Hari Om Tat Sat.